Woodworking has long been a timeless art form that melds creativity with practicality. It's a medium through which individuals can transform raw materials into functional and aesthetically pleasing pieces of furniture. The allure of woodworking lies not only in the final product but in the process itself, where meticulous planning and skilled craftsmanship converge. We explore the realm of woodworking plans, particularly focusing on Adirondack chairs, and delve into the intricate dance between creativity and craftsmanship. Woodworking plans, a gateway to creativity. For those new to the world of woodworking, the book Woodworking Plans and Projects, Skill Building Guide 2021 for Beginners serves as an invaluable resource. It is a veritable treasure trove of inspiration, offering a cornucopia of ideas and step-by-step instructions that can guide both novices and experienced woodworkers alike. This guide is a beacon for those seeking to embark on a journey that combines the precision of woodworking with the limitless canvas of creativity. The importance of a solid foundation. Every craftsman, whether a seasoned pro or a fledgling enthusiast, understands the value of starting with a strong foundation. The book thoughtfully addresses this need by commencing with the basics. It elucidates the essential tools required, their purpose, and how to wield them effectively. This introductory section not only ensures that beginners invest wisely in their tools but also instills the confidence to use them skillfully. A path from simplicity to complexity. What sets this woodworking guide apart is its deliberate progression from simple to complex projects. It recognizes that mastery is a journey, not a destination. By offering a spectrum of projects, ranging from straightforward designs to intricate creations, it caters to woodworkers of varying skill levels. This graduated approach allows beginners to build their confidence and experience, ultimately empowering them to tackle more ambitious projects. The beauty of Adirondack chairs. Among the myriad of woodworking projects, Adirondack chairs stand out as a timeless classic. These chairs epitomize both comfort and aesthetic charm. Crafting an Adirondack chair offers woodworkers an opportunity to combine functionality with artistic expression. The graceful lines and ergonomic design of these chairs provide a canvas for creativity, allowing woodworkers to personalize their creations through choice of wood, finishes, and embellishments. A visual guide for aspiring craftsmen. One minor hiccup encountered by some readers of the guide is the occasional absence of photos in the Kindle version. While this could be a technological issue, the importance of visual aids in woodworking cannot be overstated. Clear, detailed images serve as beacons, guiding craftsmen through the intricacies of each project. It is imperative that woodworking plans, whether in print or digital form, include high-quality visuals to complement the step-by-step instructions. In the realm of woodworking, crafting Adirondack chairs is a testament to the fusion of form and function. The book Woodworking Plans and Projects, Skill Building Guide 2021 for Beginners serves as a gateway to this world, offering aspiring woodworkers a roadmap to creativity and craftsmanship. It teaches the importance of a strong foundation, encourages a progression from simplicity to complexity, and instills confidence in the pursuit of woodworking excellence. Let this book be the spark that ignites your passion for woodworking, as you embark on a journey of creativity, artistry, and craftsmanship.